हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल फिजिक्स ट्रिक्स। तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स। सो देखिए हाउ टू रिजॉल्व वेक्टर इनटू इट्स कंपोनेंट्स। तो फर्स्ट वी हैव अ वेक्टर सपोज टू बी हियर और इस वेक्टर के हमको कंपोनेंट्स करने हैं। तो फर्स्ट थिंग कि इस वेक्टर के हम कितने कंपोनेंट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, अगर रेक्टेंगुलर कंपोनेंट नहीं बोला है और बोला है कि हाउ मेनी कंपोनेंट्स वी कैन डू बाय यूजिंग दिस वेक्टर, तो आपका आंसर होना चाहिए इनफिनाइट। कैसे? तो यहाँ पर मैं बहुत छोटे छोटे ऐसे इनफिनाइट वेक्टर्स बना सकता हूँ इसके, राइट। तो अगर रेक्टेंगुलर कंपोनेंट नहीं बोले और बोला कि एक वेक्टर के कितने कंपोनेंट हम कर सकते हैं, तो इनफिनाइट कंपोनेंट हम एक वेक्टर के कर सकते हैं। तो देखो इसका अगर हमको रेक्टेंगुलर कंपोनेंट चाहिए, रेक्टेंगुलर मतलब एट एन एंगल 90 डिग्री विद ईच अदर, तो हमको यहाँ से एक कंपोनेंट बनाना पड़ेगा। इसको मैं बोल देता हूँ ax कंपोनेंट, और यहाँ से मैं एक दूसरा कंपोनेंट बना देता हूँ, इसको मैं बोलता हूँ ay। तो ये x और ay की वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे? तो देखो ax की वैल्यू और ay की वैल्यू बाय यूजिंग हम sin थीटा एंड cos थीटा निकाल सकते हैं। तो sin 30 is ay divided by magnitude of a. So sin 30 we have is equal to ay divided by a. So ay we got as a by 2. So all of you knows value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. Likewise, how to find a x over here? So by using cos 30. So cos 30 is equal to a x divided by a. So ax is equal to, we have root 3 divided by 2 into a. So this is ax, right? So do remember, if I take this angle as theta supposed to be, then I have this component as, this ax component as a cos theta and ay component as a sin theta. Now do remember, angles adjacent component is always a cos, and angles opposite angle component is always a sin. Right, so this a's component in x direction we have a cos theta, in y direction we have a sin theta. So I hope all of you understood this. Likewise, if they give, suppose one inclined plane is there and this angle is theta given, okay, and a block is there on this, of mass m, okay. So we have mg on this block which is directly acting downward like this, and we want the rectangular component of this mg. So see, this main vector is always a hypotenuse, and these components are always the what? At an angle of 90 degrees, or we can say these components are sides of this main vector. So triangle, sides of this triangle. So firstly we have to make a triangle by considering this mg as hypotenuse. The first vector we have is, first component we have like this, and the second component which must be perpendicular to this line, right? So this is the first component we have, and the second must be perpendicular with this. So this is perpendicular, this is 90 degree, right? So first component we have over here is this one, and second component we have over here is this one, right? So what is the mg's component? Now angle we have, this is theta, this is 90, this is 90 minus theta. If this is 90 minus theta and this is total 90, what is this angle? We have theta. So I hope all of you understood this, that angle is theta. So mg's component in this direction, angles adjacent, see here, angles adjacent cos theta. So angles adjacent is this one, mg cos theta, right? So mg I am writing over here, this magnitude of this vector is mg, and this mg is, this component is mg sin theta. Why? Because angles opposite is sine theta. Angles opposite is sine theta. So likewise, there are infinite questions based on this, right? You have to resolve the vector and find out the x and y component. Okay. So likewise, let us suppose we have a pendulum, right? Theta angle. So, and we want what are the tensions? This tension, main vector is tension. This tension x and y component. Okay. So, what are the x and y components? So, firstly we need what? Firstly we need the x and y axis. Over here we have this one, and let us suppose I am considering this magnitude tension T. So, I am considering from here, right? So, we have to make right angle triangle over here. So, we have first component in this direction and second component in this direction. So, this tensions, this component we have, this angle theta, this must be then theta, right? So, this tensions component, this angles adjacent, this tension is now hypotenuse. This is one side, this is other side. So, tensions, this component is T cos theta and this component is T sin theta. So, I hope all of you understood this, right? Now, one property is there, right? One property is there that we can translate the vector from one position to other position without changing its magnitude and direction. So, that's why we consider this T sin theta over here, T cos theta over here, right? So, T sin theta over here, T cos theta over here. Likewise, let us suppose we have another example, and that one is let us suppose we have the same pendulum is there, but this time we want, and this pendulum is accelerating, supposed to be with an acceleration A. So this time we want tension and mg. What is the relation between tension, mg and A, right? So in this case we have, let us suppose this angle again given theta, right? So relation between tension, mg and A. So tension, mg and A. What is the relation? Ma we can write. So the forces. Yeah. So see, firstly you have to apply this one only, right? So we have mg over here, mg. So I hope all of you understanding this. So this is mg. This acceleration is in this direction, right? As acceleration is in this direction, so there must be a pseudo force on it, and that pseudo force must be in this direction. So I hope all of you understanding this. And this is the given situation, right? So pseudo force is always mass into acceleration in opposite direction. And then we have last one, and that is tension force. So this tension is two component. One is along horizontal, one is along vertical over here. So I am drawing over here. We have, so this is tensions one component and this one is other component. This is perpendicular rectangular component we have. So this magnitude, this is theta only, T cos theta, and this magnitude is T sin theta. Correct. So these two forces are in the same direction. So T sin theta plus ma is equal to 0. That means whatever acceleration, this acceleration for this given system is considered is wrong, because some force must balance other force. So here it is given T sin theta plus ma is equal to 0, and second equation is T cos theta is equal to mg, right? So here it will give the information that minus ma, T sin theta is minus ma. That means whatever direction we consider is wrong, it must be in other direction. That the acceleration must be in other direction, right? Then only this pendulum will go in that direction. So this is what the resolution of vector is, right? resolve a vector into its two component balance, right? The horizontal forces and the vertical forces.